Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully all of you are doing great. I'd like to share Power BI PRAN-RFL Group FMCG Sales Analysis Dashboard, where I will take you through the performance insights for the year 2025. This dashboard gives a complete overview of sales, profit, cost, and market distribution. Let's start with the KPI. Total sales reached 5.4 billion, generating a total profit of 1.4 billion, while overall cost stood at 3.9 billion. The total quantity sold is 20.83 million units with a strong profit margin of 27%. These figures clearly show the solid performance and growth of the FMCG portfolio throughout the year. Also highlight how strategic planning and a balanced product mix have contributed to consistent business success. Let's see sales by quarter. When we look at quarterly sales, we see a peak in the second quarter at 1.4 billion, followed by a slight decline in the third and fourth quarters. This shows strong mid-year performance likely is boosted by seasonal demand. I can filter the data by year, making it easy to compare different time periods and quickly spot trends, patterns, and changes in performance. Now looking at sales by product category. The others group leads the way. This is mostly due to products like beverage, snacks, and dairy, showing that business has a oil-balanced mix that keeps sales steady. In terms of profitability, soft drinks bringing in highest earnings, followed by detergent and chips. Biscuit and juice also perform well, highlighting consistent consumer demand for these everyday FMCG products. Let's see sales by channel. Sales by channel shows nearly equally split, with wholesale contributing 50.11% and retail 49.89%. This balance ensured stability across distribution networks. Let's see distributor performance. Distributor analysis shows that top performers like Alum Enterprise and Anis Traders have strong sales and profits. By checking how each distributor is doing, we can see where things can be improved and make better business decisions. This helps the supply chain run smoothly, making sure product reach the right place on time and improving overall efficiency. Watching distributor performance closely is important for keeping growth steady and meeting consumer demand. Let's see regional sales insights. When we look at geographic data, we can see that most of the sales come from major regions like Dhaka, Chattogram, and Khulna. These areas play a vital role in overall business performance. By using the regional map, we can clearly identify which areas are performing well and contributing the most to sales. At the same time, it also helps us find a region where sales are lower, giving us opportunities to expand and grow the business in new markets. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you later. Allah Hafiz.